In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a file from chat in Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a powerful collaborative tool that facilitates communication and file sharing among team members. However, there may be instances where you need to delete a file that was shared in a chat. Perhaps it was uploaded by mistake or it has become outdated. Today, I'll guide you through a quick and easy process to help you remove unwanted files from your chats in Microsoft Teams. To begin this task, you'll first need to sign into your Microsoft Teams account. Head over to the Microsoft Teams site and log in using your credentials. Once you've signed in, navigate to the chat where the file you want to delete is located. This is easily done by selecting Chat from the left-hand menu and scrolling through your conversations until you find the right one. Now that you're in the chat, let's start with the next step. Locate the file you wish to delete. You will see that files appear within your conversations, sometimes beneath the messages themselves, or in a designated files tab if one exists for that chat. Once you locate the file, move your cursor over its section. This action will make a few icons appear next to the file, including 3 horizontal dots, which represent additional options. Hover your cursor over these 3 dots, and a small menu will appear with various actions you can take. This is where you manage your file settings. From this drop-down menu, look for the delete option. It's a simple word, but with it you'll be able to remove the file from the chat entirely. Go ahead and click delete. When you click delete, Teams might prompt you with a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to proceed with deleting the file. This gives you a moment to double check that you're selecting the right file and doing what you actually intend. Go ahead and confirm, and the file will be removed from your chat. Remember, deleting a file from chat will remove it for everyone in the conversation, and it may still be accessible elsewhere if it was saved by someone else or placed in a shared location. It's essential to ensure that deleting the file won't disrupt any necessary workflow or collaboration with your team. And there you have it, a straightforward process to delete a file from a chat in Microsoft Teams. This simple procedure can enhance your experience with Teams by keeping your chats organized and relevant. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. If you found this guidance helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.